Right, welcome guys. So today we're going to look at the brightness adjusting bar. So this is a common problem that we are facing with the Windows 10 option with the upgrades. So let's get into it. Now there are two ways that we're going to fix this, and this is definitely going to fix your issue. Alright, so first of all, let me show you what's the problem. So I've got this issue. I cannot find my brightness adjusting bar here. Again, if you go to settings and then systems, under display, you should have a brightness adjusting bar. That's not available, so we're going to fix that in just two simple steps. Just bear with me. Go to Chrome, and you're supposed to download you should download one of those drivers. So I've just got it for you here. Right, so just go to this link here. It says HP Hotkey support software informer. So just go to this link, and there's no spam here, guys. This is a proper website. So you just download this, install, and if it doesn't work, like, install and restart your machine. Okay, so that's just a driver for your hotkeys. If your hotkeys are not working, the brightness bars, and still if it doesn't work, now this should definitely fix your issue. Go to device manager. Alright, once you're in device manager, go to monitors, right click on this. You see it says PNP monitor lock standard, so just right click on it, go to update driver. Make sure you click this one, the second one, browse my computer for drivers. Pick this one here, and then over here, instead of the standard, just switch it on to generic PNP monitor. Okay, and then go next. That should install the drivers for you. So that says Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Close the device manager, refresh. Okay, now you should have your drivers, should have your adjusting bar. See, that works, and then also your buttons should work. See, so when you're using a button, make sure if you're using a ProBook, use your FN with the brightening adjusting buttons. Alright, so that should definitely fix your problems. If it doesn't, leave a message, and if it did, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.